today we're going to do a taste test for English candy. We have been in Heathrow Airport where we bought some candy. So we're going to try it today. And you can't get it in Denmark. Yeah. So we're going to rate it from 1 to 10. So yeah. First thing is put your hand and pick a arrow. You can see it there. Let me see. It's where it's. I think it's just normal. It's like chocolate. Here. Oh, it's something green inside.
Yeah, it's mint.
That's so cool. Okay. 3, 2, 1. It's okay. I don't like it, but I don't hate it. It's like okay. How much would you give it?
6.5.
Yeah, I'll probably give it 6.
Yes.
Next favorite.
It's these minions.
Look, I would like to get Kevin. You can see that at the back. There's like what flavors they are. So Kevin is banana, Bob is blueberry, Stuart is apple, Dave is raspberry, and Jerry is cherry.
Let's try one of each.
Yeah, and the foam at the back, the white is ice cream flavored.
You have to get this and this. Yes. First we're going to try this one.
That's Kevin. No, this is Kevin. With the foam.
No, we're going to try
First Kevin. Okay. Oh, it's hard to bite it.
I like them really much.
I think they're pretty good.
I'll give it a 9.5.
I'll give it 7.5 because I think it's very hard to chew, but else it tastes pretty good. Okay,
Now we're going to take
Bob. Bob. Different. 3, 2, 1.
I'll give this one a 9 because it's harder. I think the other one was much more soft because the foam or like the marshmallow kind of thing in the back.
I'll give this one a 7 because I like the flavor.
What's flavor of it?
Now it's Stuart.
I
and
have
it's
the one. I have to choose.
Nana's trying
Kevin
again, and I'm trying Stuart.
He's banana flavored.
And Stuart is apple. No, pineapple.
I think it's much more softer.
No thanks.
What did it taste like?
Like really bad.
I have to try him. And you're going to try
Okay, next thing.
No, you have to try. You have to try the one I got. This one.
We already tried him.
No, we tried the one with foam.
He's even more. He's so hard.
I think all of them taste good.
Okay, next thing. Wine pastels.
Oh, there's like some sugar coating.
Yeah.
I just thought it was like just totally plain. I can take one out and show you. We're
Here.
going to try one of each color. Which color do you have? Orange?
No, one. I will take the red.
I'll take the also the red. No, I'll take the black.
Okay, the red and the black. 3, 2, 1. That tastes pretty good.
I will try the red.
I'll give it an 8.5.
The black one, I'll give a 6. It doesn't have like flavor.
No?
I have to try red.
What do you think?
I don't think it's quite me. I think that one is 7.
Yeah.
The last thing we have the Minions in sour version.
So the same as we just...
Same as this one. Oops. Just in this one. Just a sour version. Okay, we're going to try this one. Which... Oh, that doesn't stand what flavor they have. I think it has one flavor.
Oh, that's good. That's like really good.
Yeah, I think they have a little bit more flavor than the other ones do.
I like them because they're like sour and they like taste good. So yeah.
They're more soft than these are.
Yeah.
Let's try the red one. Find one more of this.
I'm going to bite the head off. Here. Clean cut.
That's also kind of good. I like the ones with the white stuff in the back.
I like this one best because it's more sour. Yeah. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, and share. And yeah.
Bye. Bye. And remember to comment down below which video you want to see next.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye. Skal vi stoppe nu?